What's up, guys? I'm Alex Hill, host of Tastemade Spice Baby, and we are here at Amalia's here in Koreatown for some Guatemalan food, just in time for Hispanic Heritage Month. So let's go find some people to eat with. Shut up! Why are you here? Why are you walking?
What is it? It's hot, girl. And why is there a camera?
We're doing something for Tastemade. Okay, have you had Guatemalan food?
I haven't.
Okay, we're gonna eat.
Is it on your dime?
It's on Tastemade.
Yeah. Let's go, girl.
Okay.
My mom, 1994, decided to open a tiny little restaurant on Beverly Boulevard. My name is Milvet Del Cid, and I am a proud owner of Amalia's restaurant. And these are my kids, Shiley and Chris Del Cid.
Oh my gosh, I'm hungry.
I'm so excited.
Dominican, Puerto Rican, and we're gonna have some Guatemalan food.
Yes.
Okay,
let's go.
Guatemalan food is a very particular style of cooking. There's a lot of spice, there's a lot of flavor, there's a lot of different things that go into each of our dishes, but more than all of that, it's the originality of it all.
Alrighty, guys, you guys are ready for the best.
Yes.
The pollo guisado,
Ooh.
and then we have the bistec, and then we have the chile relleno. I'll set it right here for you guys.
Ooh, thank you so much. Okay, I gotta try this, because this reminds me of my mom.
And I'm gonna try this because I've never had something like this. That bistec looks different than ours.
No, that looks how my grandfather cooks it.
Oh, really? It's a little more red.
Do you guys have Puerto Ricans back there?
I like this chile relleno. I normally wouldn't have gone for a dish like this.
Oh,
Wow, can I taste?
yeah,
I told you.
those are good.
It all comes from Guatemala. It's all homemade recipes. Everything that we're serving today are recipes from my grandma that we hold close to our hearts and we're very, very prideful of. Tradition is everything. Just walking into our restaurant, you will get a sense of what it means to be Guatemalan. Everything to the smallest detail that you walk in here and see, we bring the majority of it from Guatemala, so it's authentic.
I'm Black and Puerto Rican, but you identify as
Dominican.
Black Dominican,
Yeah.
right?
I think I show up in the world first Black.
Right.
And then when they get to know my heritage and I speak Spanish, they're a little confused. So that's why I always say Afro-Latino, even though that is what I am. It's a little bit easier to digest once they've seen me and then hear me speak.
Yeah. Like, I've had a lot of Latino food, but like, I've never had Guatemalan
Me
food.
neither. I'm so glad you found me on the street, girl.
So that's the beauty of our culture. There's so many different types of food and cuisines and just,
So much you can discover.
yeah.
Ready, guys? So here's the rellenitos.
I love your,
Your little flag.
yeah.
We have to.
You gotta,
Love it.
listen, you gotta stay where you are,
That's
Right?
Amalias.
Okay?
Amalias and the Watermalon flag. Enjoy,
Thank you.
guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers. That was really good. It's a little sour though.
It's great, it's straight cream.
Cream, that's right.
Yeah. You know we love to eat. So this is a good excuse to celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month and try other restaurants.
So what's next? Salvadorian?
Peruvian?
Dominican?
Cuban?
We are here at 4210 Beverly Boulevard in Los Angeles, California. My kids, myself, and all our group, we're here to welcome all of you.